Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button down there. It's absolutely free. YouTube won't charge you and I won't charge you, so please join my family. Let's grow this YouTube channel. Let's enjoy this journey of YouTube. So anyways guys, today I am here with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using this eyeshadow palette. This is the box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. So I recently got this off of Amazon, and guys, this is, I don't think this is the original eyeshadow. I don't think this is the, I don't have, like, I think I'm gonna insert a picture of like the original box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, but I can tell that this is not the original because from the pictures I saw, some of the colors are a bit different from the original palette that I saw. So yeah, let me just quickly, this is, although they did, it's a very nice dupe for the main or the real palette, but it is not the original palette. If you can see, if you own the box of Crayons palette, you might know. So anyways, yeah, I got this off of Amazon. I think it was $10 or so. I can't really remember though, but yeah, and it's actually quite nice. I'm just going to quickly open up the palette for you guys to see. So it actually, the mirror actually broke on transition when it was coming down to Nigeria. My cousin was bringing it down. So yeah, so taking off the wrap, these are what the eyeshadows look like. I don't know if you can clearly see them, but these are what the eyeshadows look like. They are not, they are slightly different from the main or the original box of Crayons eyeshadow palette that I saw. So the colors are slightly different from the box of Crayons eyeshadow palette that I saw originally. But either ways, I did a swatch of this palette and the shadows are quite pigmented. I really like most of the shadows that I got to swatch off of them. I might probably insert the swatch video somewhere here so you guys can see the swatches of this eyeshadow palette. So for today's look, I'm gonna be, anyways, let's not ramble too much. For today's look, I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette to create an eye makeup. I'm trying to see if I can do something. I'm doing a colorful series right now, so I'm trying to bring out like colorful looks. So I'm trying to see if I can put together a colorful look that will be nice for Valentines, since we're in the month of February. So yeah, so let's see what we can come up using this eyeshadow palette from box of Crayons. So anyways, I've moisturized my face and everywhere else, and now I'm just going to quickly do my eyebrows, then I will be right back. So I will see you guys pretty soon. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Okay guys, so quickly jumping into this eye tutorial or into this makeup tutorial. So first off, I'm going into my Nuban's Beauty in my skin concealer, and this is in the shade 043. I've quickly done my brows, as you can see. So I'm just going to blend out that concealer just to create a base and even out my eyelids, so whatever colors I'm going to put, you know, stand out really well. So once I am done applying that concealer, I'm just going to take this light shade from my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro contour palette. I'm just going to use that to set that concealer so it doesn't smudge or move when I'm applying the rest of my shadows. So once that is done, I'm going into this box of Crayons palette. I'm taking this shade called Red, and I'm just going to apply that as my transition colors. Guys, the first thing I will say off the bat is, in as much as this eyeshadow palette might not be original, it is actually pigmented. Like, it is really pigmented. Like, the matte colors are really pigmented and nice, and they really come out, or they show up very well. So that's one good thing I actually like about the palette. So anyways, once I'm done with that, I'm going into this brown shade still from that palette. I'm just going to use that to deepen my outer V and my crease. Then once I'm done with that, I'm going with this shade called Deep Plum. So this is more, I'm going to concentrate this shade more on my crease area and on my outer V area, just to deepen and darken it. So now once I'm done applying all those colors and I've blended them properly, I'm just going to apply my concealer to cut my crease. So now for my first eyeshadow, I'm going to go into this green eyeshadow from that palette. I'm just going to apply that on the center part of the cut crease where I've cut out. Then once I'm done with that, I'm just going into these two shades. I'm practically mixing them up together and also adding some green to it, just to add some brightness to the inner corners of the eye. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go back into the plum and brown shades, just interchanging the two colors together, and I'm just applying that on the outermost V of my eye, just to deepen that part but not making it too dark. So after that, once I am done with the eyeshadow, I'm just going to take my eyeliner, which is my LA Girl Intense Gel Eyeliner. I'm just going to apply that on my eyes. Then I'm kind of creating more depth and more shadow towards the outer view of my eye. So I'm not creating a wing, but instead I'm smoking out some of that black eyeliner, just to give the eyeshadow some depth. So I'm just going to pause on the eyes for now, and I'm going to get to my face. So first things first, I've moisturized and done every other thing. So for my primer, I'm going to go into this Gosh Velvet primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I applied too much. So then now taking my Nuban Beauty concealer, this is in shade 043, I'm just going to apply that first. I'm going to conceal my under eye first. It depends on you, whatever method, if it's concealing first or foundation first, anyone that suits you. So anyways, once I'm done applying that concealer and blending it out, I'm going into my foundation, which is this Flawless Ivy foundation. I'm just going to apply that all over my face, blending it into the concealer. Once that is blended, I'm going to just set my under eye. This is like a powder mix that I've had for some time. So basically I didn't really want like the under eye to be super bright, so I went in with this dark little bit like my shade kind of powder. Then I went over on top of that with this lighter shade from that BH Cosmetics contour palette, so just to make it a little bit bright but not super bright. So once I am done applying that, and I'm going to take my Benefits Hello Flawless powder. I'm going to use that to just dust off all the excess powder under my eye, and also to set the rest of my face. So once I am done, I'm going to apply this Paula B waterproof eyeliner on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to smoke out that eyeliner with the Deep Plum from that eyeshadow. Then going on top of that under eye, I'm just going to apply this Mermaid Glitter from Star Crushed Minerals. Like, I really wanted the under eye to look like really glittery and like sparkly, and just this guy, I'm just trying to like improvise and make do with a colorful Valentine's look. So I want that really sparkly at the bottom of my eye. So anyways, I've set my face with my Nuban Beauty setting spray. Now I'm going into this Nuban Beauty loose highlighter highlighter in the shade Aurora. I really wanted more like after applying that, so I still went over on top of that with my Flawless Ivy glow kit in melanin. Yes, I decided to take a food break. It's agbalumo season and my mom just got some, so I was like, yeah. Anyways guys, once I'm done with that, I'm gonna flip over and change my top. So changed my top, wear my wig, curled my wig, you know, just gave my hair some loose curls. And yeah, so now time for the lips. So I'm giving you guys two lip options in this makeup or makeover. If you want something like doubly bold, you can go with this like red lip. So I'm going in with a red lip pencil and this black opal color stick in Scarlet. So I'm just going to apply that. Then yeah, once I'm done applying that, I added a little bit of blush using this Blush Crush Cosmetics Paparazzi. It's kind of like a colored highlighter of sorts. Anyways, this is what the red look looks like. So for the second lip option, I went with a nude lip. So for those of you who are not as adventurous, this is a more subtle lip option. So I went in with a brown lip liner. This is my sleek lip liner in soft brown. Then going in with my W7 Mega matte lipstick, and I went in with my Cage Gloss in pink diamond. Just something nice and nude for my nude lovers. So anyways guys, this is my tutorial for today. I really liked this eyeshadow palette, even though it's a dupe or a fake or whatever you want to call it, but I really like the eyeshadow palette. It's very pigmented and nice. And yeah, so I will leave the details of the eyeshadow palette and where I got it from, or like the Amazon link, in the description box if you want to get it. Anyways guys, till my next video, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye. Mwah.